Hello, this is Selena Wiltsey. This is day one, Mary Kay, TimeWise Repair, Volu-firm, 30-day challenge product performance. So we have, today we're going to be using the foaming cleanser and the Volu-firm day cream with 30 SPF sunscreen, and the Volu-firm eye cream. Tonight we'll use the night cream, and I'll do a quick 2 minutes tonight. And I'm going to finish off with the lifting serum. So let's do this. We got just a minute. First, do get your face wet. Boom. Thumbs up, go. Pat, pat, pat. And we got 30 seconds. The new pump. 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 Okay. Day cream. Eye cream. Okay. Check it out. We'll see how it goes in 30 days. If I have less wrinkles. Eye cream. And oh, that's nice. Smooth. So let's do it. Lifting it out to the edges. That feels really good. I do like it. All right, that's 3 minutes. I'll see you tonight.